Tesla's newest folding V4 Superchargers are key to expansion. Tesla is rolling out a folding V4 Supercharger design, an engineering change that allows 33% more units to fit on a single delivery truck, cuts deployment time in half, and reduces overall installation cost by roughly 20%. The folding mechanism addresses one of the least glamorous but most consequential bottlenecks in charging infrastructure: getting hardware from factory floor to job site efficiently. By collapsing the form factor for transit and unfolding into an operational configuration on arrival, the new design dramatically reduces the logistics overhead that has historically slowed supercharger rollouts, particularly at large or remote sites where multiple units are needed simultaneously. The timing aligns with a broader acceleration in Tesla's network strategy. In March 2026, Tesla's Gigafactory New York produced its final V3 Supercharger cabinet after more than 7 years and 15,000 units, pivoting entirely to V4 cabinet production. The V4 cabinet itself is already a generational leap, delivering up to 500 kilowatts per stall for passenger vehicles and up to 1.2 megawatts for the Tesla Semi, while supporting twice the stalls per cabinet at 3 times the power density of its predecessor. The folding transport innovation layers logistical efficiency on top of that technical foundation. Tesla launches first true East Coast V4 Supercharger. Here's what that means. Tesla Charging's director Max de Zegher, commenting on the V4 cabinet when it launched, captured the operational philosophy behind these changes. Posts can peak up to 500 kilowatts for cars, but we need less than 1 megawatt across 8 posts to deliver maximum power to cars 99% of the time. The design philosophy has always been about maximizing real-world throughput, not just peak specs, and the folding transport upgrade extends that thinking into the supply chain itself. Posts can peak up to 500 kilowatts for cars, but we need less than 1 megawatt across 8 posts to deliver maximum power to cars 99% of the time. No more DC busbar between cabinets. Power comes from a single V4 cabinet to 8 stalls. Easier to install, cheaper, more reliable. Introducing folding unit superchargers. V4 cabinet with 500 kilowatts, charging 8 posts per unit, 2 units per truck, 2 configurations. Folded, unfolded, faster, cheaper, better. The network is expanding rapidly on multiple fronts. The first true 500 kilowatts V4 Supercharger on the East Coast opened in Kissimmee, Florida, in March 2026, followed closely by a new site in Nashville, Tennessee. A public megacharger for the Tesla Semi launched in Ontario, California in early March, with 37 additional megacharger sites targeted for completion by end of year. Meanwhile, more than 27,500 supercharger stalls are now accessible to non-Tesla EVs from brands including Ford, GM, Rivian, Hyundai, and most recently Stellantis, whose Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat, and Maserati BV customers gained access in March 2026. As Tesla pushes toward a denser, faster, and more open charging network, innovations like the folding V4 Supercharger reflect the company's growing focus on deployment velocity, not just hardware performance. Getting chargers to the ground faster, cheaper, and in greater volume per shipment may ultimately matter as much as the kilowatts they deliver. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at teslarati.